Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off protect your tweets on your Twitter app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for us window like this. And all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you click here on settings and support, then it's going to show for us window like this. You click here on settings and privacy here, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on privacy here, then it's going to take us here in this window. So then you just click here on edits and tagging here, then it's going to take us here in this window. You come here to protect your tweets, you click here on this sign, and like you see color it's gone, that's mean protect your tweets, it's on off now. So that's all you have to do, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.